Alright students, so I've launched Photoshop ready to make a new document. I can go to File, New, and I'm on a Mac, so some of these keyboard shortcuts on the side are going to look different if you're on a PC. Usually it's if you have this symbol right here, that's the Command key for a Mac. For PCs, you're going to usually hit the Control key, so it'd probably Control N. On a Mac, it's going to be Command N, but I'm just going to go up here, click New. Alright, so really quickly, we have print and photo, illustration, web, and depending on what you're using, these kind of provide you some default documents that are preset. I'm going to use the letter size, 8.5 by 11, orientation, vertical or horizontal. You can flip back and forth. I'm not really worried about artboards. 300 ppi, okay? Pixels per inch. We're doing RGB. Not really concerned that it's 8-bit, that's fine. White, and then that's really your background color that it's giving you as a default. If you want to, you could rename this and call it Kyle Brushes, because I was using that earlier. And if I click the Save button right here, it will show up in this option, and I can just click on it. If it's a document settings that you use over and over again, that's a really quick way to do that. Okay, so going back to print, I'm not going to do that. Leave that alone. Gonna go ahead, and there is the drop down menu for advanced. That has to do with the workspace. There's different kind of color profiles. We're not gonna cover that. Let's the default RGB is fine. Hit create. Okay, so we get our 8.5 by 11 document, and that's how you create a new document in Photoshop CS.